and I want to make a commitment right now. Our first assignment with the scouting movement shall be, as a government, we are going to donate 500,000 sanitary towels, which are already ready at our Upper Hill office. This shall be my first assignment na scouts wote wa Nairobi. We are going to do this assignment together. So with your leaders, tutakubaliana on the strategy how we are going to distribute these sanitary towels to all the informal settlements, to all our school girls, wale ambao hawezi afford sanitary towels. They are already ready with us in our stores, 500,000 sanitary towels, and every 2 months we shall be purchasing 500,000 sanitary towels for all the informal settlement wanawake wale hawajiwezi. We shall continue with our food distribution kwa wale wasiojiweza in all the slums of Nairobi County, all the estates, wale needy cases in the slums. Tutaendelea kufanya hiyo kazi na nyinyi as other cases come. We shall be taking all the cases together, especially wale scouts hawana uwezo in terms of supporting them in paying their school fees. We'll support them. Those who cannot afford uniform, that should be a problem of the past from today. We are going to cater for that going forward.